Welcome to our Excel training. There are very easy ways to expand sharps in Microsoft Excel, friends. After entering the date, if you drag the date sideways, you will see the sharps appear. There is no need to double-click from above to open these sharps. Instead, after seeing the sharps, when the area with the sharps is selected, when you come from the Auto Fit Column Width option in the Format window, you will see that these are automatically opened. Let me repeat. Look, I entered the date, and when I pull this date sideways, the sharps will come. In order to open these sharps, you can use the fourth option, Auto Fit Column Width, in the Format window here. The keyboard shortcut for this is better. If you see the sharps in this way and the areas with the sharps are selected, press Alt on the keyboard on English keyboards, and press the H key. Press the O key to open the Format window, and when you press the letter I that you see here to come to the fourth row of expression, this process will be done exactly the same. I'm undoing it again. When you do Alt HOI, look, these will open directly.